Hello friends, let us learn electric field due to a system of point charges. Whenever there is more than one charges, then it is said to be a system of charges. So we are going to understand what will be the net electric field when there is more than one charges. Let us have charge Q1. Q1 charge produces electric field which is said to be E1. Let us have a charge Q2 here. It produces electric field known as E2. Let these two electric fields come at this point. We require resultant electric field at this point. So let us draw a parallelogram. Join this diagonal. This is said to be resultant E. So this is electric field E2 due to Q2 charge. This is electric field E1 due to Q1 charge. So E equals to E1 plus E2. This is said to be resultant electric field. Thus, when there are two charges, then resultant electric field is E is equals to E1 plus E2. Similarly, for n number of charges, electric field E is equals to E1 plus E2 plus plus En. Do you know this is known as principle of superposition of electric field? So this is known as principle of superposition of electric field. Principle of superposition of electric field says that the resultant electric field at a point is the vector sum due to individual electric fields. Now you are going to understand numerical based on this topic. Here is the numerical number first. In this numerical, here is charge plus 5, 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And here is 20, 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Distance between A and B is 2 meter. Then the question is, where will the resultant electric field is 0? We know that electric field originate from plus charge and move to minus charge. So here is plus charge electric field. So at this region, due to this A, electric field EA is in this direction. Due to this charge, electric field EB is also in this direction, and in this region electric field due to B EB is in this direction, and electric field due to A EA is in this direction, and between these two electric field due to A is in this direction, and electric field due to B is in this direction. So you are seeing that electric field in region 1, this is region 1, is in outward direction, same direction. In region 2, electric fields are in opposite direction, and in region 3, electric fields are again in same direction. So there is not possible chance that electric field will be 0 at this place or 0 at this place. This means that electric field must be 0 between A and B. So we have to take a point C here, C where electric field is 0. This is the point where you have electric field E resultant equals to E due to A plus E due to B with sum up to be 0. Then let A C is equals to X. Then the CB equals to 2 minus X. This is 2 minus X. Now you know the formula, that is resultant electric field E equals to EA plus EB, and according to question this is equals to 0. So what is EA? EA is K QA upon X square. upon x square, and direction of EA is towards positive x-axis, so write here I cap, plus k qb, it is 2 minus x square, and direction of EB is towards negative x-axis, so write here minus I cap, it is equals to 0. Now from here you have k qa upon x square I cap is equals to k qb 2 minus x whole square into I cap. So this k will cancel out, this I cap will cancel out. Now substitute the value of qa, this is said to be qa, whose value is 5 into 10 to the power minus 19 and upon x square. This is said to be qb because it is at point B. So this is equals to 20 10 to the power minus 19 upon 2 minus x whole square. Cancel this order. 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20. So you have take the square root both sides. So 1 by x. So square root of 4 is 2 and here this is 2 minus x. Cross multiply it. This will be 2 minus x which is equals to 2x. So you have 2 equals to 3x. This means that x is equals to 2 upon 3 and unit is meter. So write it meter. So this means that from 2 upon 3 from the point A towards C, the electric field resultant is 0. Let us have the next numerical. Here is the second numerical for you. In this second numerical, I am taking here 6 microcoulomb at A and minus 9 microcoulomb at B. Distance between A and B is 8 centimeters. So here one is positive charge, one is negative charge. You know that electric field originate from positive charge and move to negative charge. So electric field due to A in this region is E A, direction is this side. In this region is E A and direction is this side. In this region is E A, direction is this side. Electric field due to B enter inside the charge. So it is electric field due to negative charge is towards the charge. So electric field due to B in this region is E B, direction this side. For this E B, direction this side. For this E B, direction this side. This is said to be region 1. This is said to be region 2. This is said to be region 3. Just observe and you are finding that at the region 2 both electric fields are along the same direction. So they will not cancel out. But at 1 the electric fields are in opposite direction. So they will cancel out. And here at third also they are in opposite direction. So they will cancel out. This means that electric field will cancel out at region 1 and region 3. Let us solve it. Okay. Let us see. So this so what will we do? We will produce this point towards this side. This is said to be a point C. This is point A where electric field is 0. Let from A to C is said to be x. So from C to B is 8 plus x. Now it have two cases. This is said to be case 1. It is said to be case 1. You are dealing case 1. Electric field on the left hand side is 0. So here you have electric field E is equals to EA plus EB which is equals to 0. Put the value. The value of EA is K QA upon x square. Direction of A is towards negative axis. So you are right here minus I cap plus K QB. Distance from C to B is 8 plus x whole square and direction is towards positive axis. So write here I cap equal to 0. From here you get QA upon x square is equals to QB upon 8 plus x whole square. So put the value of QA which is 16 microcoulomb. 16 microcoulomb upon x square. This is equals to 9 microcoulomb. Here it is a minus sign, but we are taking 9 microcoulomb because we know that it is the magnitude. Here it is the magnitude. So we are writing magnitude of QB is 9 microcoulomb upon 8 plus x whole square. Cancel this microcoulomb. Take square root both sides. So you have 4x is equals to 3 upon 8 plus x. Now cross multiply it. So you have 32 plus 4x is equals to 3x. So you have x, this is 4x, it is 3x. So you have minus x is equals to minus 32. You have or you can write like this. It is better to write this is x is equals to, this is minus 32. This means that 32 minus 32 means towards LHS side. So this is 32 centimeter is towards LHS side from A to C. So thus 32 centimeter is distance from A to C, where E equal to 0. So in the case 1, we have seen that electric field this side at 32 centimeter is 0. Let us work for case second. In case second, we are going to take on RHS side. So for that, let us take a point from B to here. This is said to be D. This is point B. Let B to D is y. So the distance from A to D is 8 plus y. Now apply the same rule, that is E is equals to EA plus EB is equals to 0. So what is EA? EA is K QA upon, this is A, distance is 8 plus y whole square. And this direction is EA is towards x-axis, so you write I cap here, plus KQB, direction is toward negative x-axis, write minus I cap here, upon y square equal to 0. So this give you QA upon 8 plus y whole square is equals to QB upon y square. Put the value QA. What is QA? QA is 16, right here 16 microcoulomb upon 8 plus y whole square. On the RHS side, right here plus 9 microcoulomb divided by y square. Here is negative, but we are taking plus 9 because here this is magnitude. Here this is magnitude. Now, cancel this microcoulomb, take the square root. So square root of 16 is 4 upon 8 plus y. Here you have 3 upon y, cross multiply it. You have 4y is equals to 24 plus 3y. So y is equals to 24 centimeter. This means that from B to D at 24 centimeter, electric field will be 0. And from A to C, 32 centimeter, electric field will be 0. Now let us notice one thing, that this is 8 and this is 24. So 8 plus 24 is 32. So whenever you find one distance, the another distance can be obtained by adding or subtracting. For example, this side is minus 32 plus 8 is minus 24. So take on the RHS side. So this is a shortcut for you. You learned very properly. So do like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.